And please tell, you please tell the doctor and tell all your people, Terry and everyone, कि 18 is too less. When you have drives like this, you will find enough good people in this country who think about it, and you will soon reach 80 before the end of the evening. And I appeal to everyone who's watching this program that थोड़ा सा अगर हम वक्त निकालें और सोचें कि हम जब बाहर देश में जाते हैं, दूसरों की कंट्री को देखते हैं तो कितने खुश होते हैं कि अरे कितना सफाई रखा हुआ है, कितने बाग बगीचे अच्छी तरह रखे हुए हैं, सो मच सो जो उनके कब्रिस्तान है वो भी खूबसूरती से रखे जाते हैं। और हम ये सोचते हैं हमारा देश ऐसा क्यों नहीं हो सकता, और हमारा देश ऐसा तभी होगा जब हम ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस और ऐसे इश्यूज़ को सपोर्ट करेंगे, उसके साथ खड़े रहेंगे। और जो जवान लोग हैं हमारे देश के, मुझे मालूम है उनका जो दिमाग जैसा भी हो, उनका हार्ट इज़ इन द राइट प्लेस। सो आई अपील टू एवरीवन that whatever little way you can do it, plant a tree. Don't keep your computer on, though it is a thing that has been described to us since childhood. Computer can be on a whole day. Use CFL lighting, which I've just found out from NDTV, means compact fluorescent light. It's conservation of energy. Use CNG, compressed natural gas, which pollutes the area less. And you're not doing it for anyone. You're doing it for yourself and only yourself, not even your children. Because we love our children, we want to give them the best. So let's do this for ourselves.
Preeti, you were out there, Preeti, cleaning some of the beaches earlier today. Perhaps you'd like to share some of those experiences also with Shah Rukh.
Yeah, you know, Shah Rukh, we went near Carter Road to clean, and it was so filthy. It had plastic bags. It was terrible, but not a patch on what you and me went for. I mean, that was the pits. But really, it was really filthy, and I really hope people get more and more conscious, and the simple tips that you gave to people are so user-friendly, and I think they will go a long, long way. So thank you for your tips, and all the very best for your movie Billu Barbar. I am sure it's going to rock.
Shah Rukh, what's that? Just want to, while we're on the subject, let's want to talk about. Sorry, just wanted to ask you about the film, the launch. Are you all excited about it?
I'm excited to see it.
Yes, I'm very happy. I just want to tell you one little thing I noticed. Yeah, it's a fine film, and it's all about, it's shot in Pollachi and all greenery around. So that's why I feel it is about Greenathon and natural, simple, good, ordinary living. But I just want to tell you something I noticed in Greece when I had gone, in Mykonos. It is one of the most pretty cities that I have visited, small city. वहाँ पे एक रूल है कि अपने घर के सामने की सड़क और अपने घर के सामने की दीवारें जो हैं, people actually themselves every Friday have to come out and clean with water and soap and detergents and झाड़ूस, and वो सब के सब Friday को अपने घर से बाहर निकलते हैं और ये करते हैं। अपने घर की दीवारें भी उन्हें हर Friday को पेंट करनी पड़ती हैं। I think these small little things कि हम अपने घर के अंदर का नहीं, थोड़ा सा अपने घर के बाहर तक का ध्यान दें, सिर्फ अपने घर के बाहर तक का। If each one of us does that, we will have a cleaner place, and Preeti and Pranoy and all these wonderful people won't have to go out on roads and do it to show it to others. I think everyone from their own houses should come out and, okay, just let me plug my film. When they come out to go and watch Billu, quickly clean your house outside and make it a thing that every Friday or Thursday or Saturday, like people mow their lawns, they should just clean just outside their houses with a bucket of water. Dignity of labor है, इसमें कोई भी छोटा नहीं होगा, आपका घर खूबसूरत लगेगा और आपका शहर खूबसूरत लगेगा, आपका देश बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत और क्लीन लगेगा।
So Shah Rukh, can I give my eco-friendly tip for people who want to go and see Billu Barbar? My eco-friendly tip would be, अगर नहीं, आप लोग सब बिल्लू बार्बर देखने ज़रूर जाना, और अकेले नहीं जाना, खूब सारे लोगों के साथ जाना, और एक ही गाड़ी में जाना, मतलब कार पूल करके जाना। So अलग-अलग गाड़ियों में जाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। Reduce the pollution, go enjoy yourself, go enjoy the movie, but do a carpool instead. What do you think?
Yes, and also, and don't throw away the tickets, keep them with you after you watch the film. But no conservation of energy, clap as much as you want in the cinema hall.
Absolutely.
One final word, if I can, just small matter, sir. The green page, जो picture है, I'm interested in...
बोलो पेड़.
Sir जी, वो signing amount के बारे में भरोसे की बात नहीं है, but just if you could tell me when I will be getting the money.
When is the movie releasing?
We haven't even started location.
मैं तुम्हारे लिए भेज रहा हूँ. मैं भेज रहा हूँ साइरस, अभी ऑलरेडी खाद और फर्टिलाइजर और मिनरल मैंने भेज दिया है और एमोनिया नाइट्रेट थोड़ा सा भेजा है उसके साथ तुम्हारे लिए। तो वो खाते रहो और अपने नीचे लगाते रहो कि तुम बड़े मोटे खूबसूरत पेड़ बन जाओ, कि जब मैं तुम्हें लॉन्च करूं तो कहूं स्टारिंग साइरस बरोचा एज द फैटेस्ट बिगेस्ट king tree of the world.
Shahrukh, I've just
making me cry with emotion, yaar. Thank you so much.
Okay,
so much.
Shahrukh, I have just spent 22 hours at a stretch. I have spent 22 hours at a stretch with Cyrus. It has been, very few people have ever done that. So I want to have a say in whatever khad, whatever fertilizers you're using.
Okay, I'm sure.
I must be involved in that discussion.
Vikram, if you spend a lot of time with Cyrus already, you must have already collected a lot of manure. So can you just give it back to Cyrus?
All right.
I think, Shahrukh, I have had just about enough of this whole cause. I'm leaving forever.
Come back.
Okay. And when is it releasing, the movie?
Green Paid, yeah, Bilu Babar.
On the 13th of Feb, it is coming out in the cinema halls.
All right, so it's a day before Valentine's.
बहुत खूबसूरत फिल्म है, दोस्ती प्यारी और yes, a day before Valentine's, and the film is about love, friendship, goodness, and it's a very simple film. It's based in a village, and it's a clash of two different ideologies: the big city, superstardom, plastic world, and real ordinary people. So and it comes out in the favor of being ordinary, and the film says it's special to be ordinary. So thank you actually for plugging the film, and thank you for calling me on the show.
All right, Shahrukh, before you go, there's someone standing there with you with a lamp. Now what we are doing is, these are the lamps, these are the solar lamps that we are actually putting into all the villages. So if you just sign one of them, and we will be further auctioning that to perhaps light up, maybe we'll get another village for whatever that particular autograph lamp goes for. And Shahrukh, at 15 lakhs, you're the single highest contributor to the entire Greenathon. Thank you so much. No, just on the yellow part. On the yellow part. On the yellow part. It doesn't matter.
Oh, here.
Well, you can sign both.
You know, let me do it both. You'll get extra money.
That's the budget of our film, huh? By the way.
Okay, and remember, if you want to buy that particular lamp that Shahrukh is signing, you buy it. Of course, the proceeds will also go to light up another village. You can, of course, bid for that on ndtv.com. Get on right now, start bidding. And I think we also owe it to just thank Shahrukh for that tremendous gesture that he's just made. Shahrukh and the entire team, cast of Bilu Babar, thank you so much for joining
Cyrus,
us.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, NDTV. Thank you, Preeti. Thank you, Vikram. And thank you, the organization of Terry. And Cyrus, you know what you can do with the lamp?
Yes, sir. I'll just come there right now. मैं आ गया सर, मैं आ गया.
2 घंटे बाद. अभी ग्रीनथॉन खत्म हो जाएगा, फिर आप जाइए. जरूर.
Thank you very much.
Anything more comfortable than this chair?
No problem.
Only Shahrukh can keep you
Okay,
quiet.
Shahrukh, thanks a lot for that, Shahrukh. Great talking to you. And you know what that's done? That has pushed the total amount.
Thank you, all the best.
Thanks, Shahrukh. And Preeti, that has just pushed the amount to that figure you see, 1 crore.
19 lakhs 52,800 rupees.